how to texture this model. We're going to use texture from the internet, and I'm going to use a website called CCO Texture. You can search it here, CCO 0, not O, I'm sorry. And then we'll search for example fabric, and then we'll choose a color similar to this one. It's, let's see, this one. So in texturing, the smaller the pixel resolution is, the more the smaller the asset get, but the trade-off is that the texture quality doesn't get any better. But 2K is enough, more than enough, so we are going to download this one. Open the folder, and then we're going to extract it here. Go into fabric. Now we can see that there's four colors, four types of image. The first one is color, displacement, and normal with roughness. We are going to use all of them. So back into the 3D model, we'll go into the material tab and then press new. Go into edit mode, assign all of them. Go back to object mode, and then we're going to go shading tab. Then we are going to press Ctrl T. These nodes are created from the node wrangler that we installed earlier. So for example, if we just open the image, hold on, let me move this. For example, if we open the image, the normal one, it will only show the color, and it looks okay, but this is not good. This is not good. For example, you can see that the image over here is not the same with this one. It's not seamless. So we are going to repair that by going into UV editing, tap select all, and go into smart UV for faster results. And then when we go into the render mode, you can see it is way much better than the previous one. Then we'll go back into the shading mode. Color itself is not enough. We will need roughness and normal map. So to add roughness and normal map, this is where we're going to use the roughness, displacement, and normal image. So we're going to go into Shift A for the menu, and then search for texture. Go into multiple images, and then select the image that you have downloaded earlier. So select this one. Select, and then drag the vector nodes to the purple color to the vector nodes too, so like this. And then for the color and roughness, you will not need to change any settings anymore, so you can just drag the color to the roughness. There's you might not see a difference now, but on some objects, for example metal, roughness does has effect on the model texture. For example, if I higher the roughness value, it will go darker, and if I put it on the, for example, 0.1, it will go into like the texture of a water. See, it's like a brand new sofa. So we're going to put this one here. And then for the normal and displacement, we'll have to change the color into non-color, color space to non-color. And then we'll add a node called bump. You can use Shift A or F, Shift A, and then tap bump. We'll put it here. And then we also need a normal map and color ramp. Normal goes to normal map, displacement goes to factor on color ramp, and then color ramp color goes into height, and normal map normal goes into normal. And then we'll change the strength into 0.1, and then we'll put it on the normal. Look, can you see that? There's a difference here. It is way much better. Now we are going to adjust a little bit on the texture. As you can see, this is not good too. So, and the lower part is also not good. Yeah, we'll need to adjust a little bit. So we go into UV editing. Then you select the faces that have problems, for example this one, yeah, or can I use, oh, this model only need a little bit of adjustment on the edge, so move this edge a little bit. No, just cut a new edge. Yeah, way much better. Then for this one, SY0, add a new cut here, and add a new cut here. This way, if we look at the model from far away, it will look way much better. Yeah. Oh yeah, I will have to change a little bit over here. Select this whole face. Never mind. Alright, this is good enough. Now we are going to texture the cushion. Same like this sofa one, we are going to add new texture. We add Ctrl T for the not Wrangler, and then we add multiple image. Select, for example, if you want a different texture. I've downloaded the texture earlier, so same procedure. Drag it, factor into the purple one, and then color, strike into the yellow one, roughness to roughness, and then add bump, normal map, color ramp, adjust it into non-color, displacement, and then we'll go into normal, color into height. Now put it here, lower the strength, and go into UV editing, select all, smart UV. Yeah, this looks kinda good for me. except on the middle part, so I'll like it. Yeah, or just let it be. And then we are for if you have two different model and you want to use the same texture, you only need to press the material tab on the other model, and then you'll just select the same material, apply UV editing, smart UV, and done. That's all you need to do. You will rename it into a Christian texture, and for this one, sofa texture. Save them. Now that we are done for the sofa, there's no more. Yeah, there's no more. Normal one, normal. Okay. Now for the sofa holder, we only need to make it into metallic, increase the metallic texture, and lower the roughness into 0.3, change the color into a little bit silverish, and we're done. That's all, I think. Yeah. So that's all about how to put a texture and create a basic 3D model for your AR application.